Can you really get a $750 Sephora gift card just by completing a few simple tasks on reviewsapho.com? At first glance, it seems like an amazing opportunity, just a few clicks, some basic steps, and you're promised a huge reward. But let's be honest, whenever something sounds too good to be true online, it usually is. That's exactly what made me look deeper into this platform, and what I found should definitely make you pause before jumping in. ReviewSapho.com claims that users can earn a $750 Sephora gift card by completing various offers and tasks. But once you start engaging with the site, a pattern of red flags becomes hard to ignore. First, after clicking through the steps, I was redirected to a series of unrelated and sometimes questionable third-party websites, none of which seemed connected to Sephora in any official capacity. Many of these sites were filled with ads, pop-ups, and requests for personal information, which raises concerns about how your data is being used or possibly misused. There's also a noticeable lack of transparency, no real customer support, no legitimate contact details, and no verifiable proof that anyone has ever actually received the promised gift card. Instead, users are funneled into an endless loop of surveys, downloads, and signups, which seem more designed to generate profit for the site's operators than to reward you with anything valuable. While some might argue it's just a marketing scheme, the tactics used feel misleading and potentially exploitative. I couldn't find a single trustworthy review or real testimony from a user who actually benefited from the site. So, is ReviewSapho.com an outright scam? While it may not steal your money directly, it certainly wastes your time, plays with your personal data, and gives you nothing in return. Bottom line, whether you're curious, tempted, or simply stumbled upon it, this is one of those online offers that's best avoided. Always think twice before handing over your time or personal info to a site that makes big promises without delivering proof.